Hello, everyone. Do you want to make a circle like this? Look what it does. When I click it, it makes a sound effect and moves to another spot. So what I use, the website is Scratch. So the address is scratch.mit.edu. If you go to this website and click Start Creating, you can make a circle like this. So let's click the button. We want to close this, and also we want to delete this. Click X, like the trash can. Yes. And then we want to go to the cat head and up here where we have paint. Now we want to select the circle. Click drag. Here we have an amazing circle. Click the color here and then choose a different one if you like. Let's click this tab and let's go to random position. Let me zoom in for you to see it better. The next thing we need to do is to bring the sound, which is here. Click this circle sound and then grab the first code. Play sound pop. The next thing and the last thing almost is this yellow circle. So click the yellow circle and grab the third code. So we want to drag and drop it and kind of attach it to the rest of the ones that we had. So now when we click the circle, it will move. Let's look at it in a full screen view. Click this button here. Here it is. Now click this again to go back. So we are done and we can save our amazing project. We need to go here to File, and if we click this, the menu will open and we can save to our computer. So click Save to your computer. Now we have saved our project. Also, we can create an account for ourselves by joining Scratch, and it will save our projects. What else? Yeah, that was it. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you like more projects, let me know. Also, you can subscribe to see more of the videos like this. More videos like this. Okay, see you next time. Bye-bye.